I'm so glad that you're here and spending some time with me. Why don't you have some of these funnel cakes that I made? They are delicious. Yeah, you like them. Yes, they're so nice. Mmm, so good. They're so crunchy, so nice. You would like to know the recipe? I'll tell you the recipe. Yes, it's very easy. You can make it just like that. It's just so simple and easy. Anybody can make it. Anytime you can make it. And yeah, it's so less sweet. It's not that sugary. So it's just nice. You can munch it like snacks. You can have it as treats or sweets as you like it. Just the way you like it. You will love it. Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to Momdas Life Handmade. My channel is all about DIY, decor, home, recipes, sound, travel, everything within budget, everything related to home. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today I am sharing with you the recipe for funnel cakes. These are absolutely gorgeous, delicious and so nice and easy to make. You can make them anytime, anywhere, any way you like it, and it's subtle, sweet, crunchy, and the taste, the flavor is so good you would enjoy it, you would love it. Very fuss-free recipe. This video is part of a challenge called Valentine's Day Collaboration Sweets for Your Sweetie. So it is a collaboration or a challenge that is being hosted by Momdas from Biology, Saving with Mrs. V and Tennis Kim. And I'll put links to all the three ladies' channels in my description box below along with the playlist that they have created. There is basically a hashtag. You can always access all the recipes. The recipe for today's video will be given in my description box as well. You can note it down from there as well. Now for the funnel cake recipe, let's begin. For this, I have taken a cup and a half of all-purpose flour and taken half a teaspoon of baking powder, sifted them together and kept them aside. Next, I took 1 egg and into it I added half a cup of sugar and just lightly beat it till it's nice and frothy, and then add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now depending on the kind of essence you use, you have to adjust the amount of flavor, but half a teaspoon of vanilla extract is good enough. Sift everything together and then add the flour to the egg sugar mix. Mix it. Now it's going to be thick now, so add some milk to it. So milk you generally add little by little. So you add about 1/4 cup and then mix it again, another 1/4 cup and mix it again till you get to the right consistency, which is a little like pancake consistency, little thinner than a cake consistency, flowy but thick. Now once you're into this stage, your batter is ready. Now heat the oil in a pan for deep frying. So you must have enough oil for deep frying. Now once the oil is hot enough, reduce the heat to the minimum so that the funnel cake or these cookies get cooked through and through inside and are nice and crispy. If you make this on high flame, it's going to burn outside and the inside will be soft, and later on everything will become soggy. You don't want that. You want this to be nice and crispy. So once the oil is hot, I took a little funnel or a tube and made the spiral shapes in the oil, and I made them so that they hold on to each other and they make these lovely shapes. Fry them till they are a lightly brown, golden brown on one side. Turn them over till the other side is also done. Once done, remove them on a piece of paper napkin so that the extra oil gets drained away. They are just so easy and quick to make. We made this for the snacks and it was over before you know it. This was so easy and so delicious. We finished everything. I just managed to save this much to show for the video introduction. I hope you like this little recipe and would make it for your snacks, for treats, for any time. Quick little treat that you would like to have and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much ladies for hosting, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.